Are you ready to sprinkle some holiday magic on your coding environment? In this video, we're showing off the top 5 Christmas themes for VS Code. These themes are guaranteed to get you in the Christmas spirit. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Jeremy, and this channel is all about helping you to become a better developer with the latest tools and techniques. All right, let's get started. Up first on our list with a unique name, Christmas theme. As you can see, this theme has a very neon look to it with an orange bar and yellow buttons. It's very bright and I like the way it looks. I'm not entirely sure just how Christmas themed it is, but it's definitely unique. Number 2 on our list is Santa Baby. This theme, unlike the last one, is very Christmas themed. This theme has a mix of reds and greens, but I will note that the text editor looks rather boring. Also, I feel like the file names in the Explorer are a little hard to read, but it's not too bad. The same could be said for the icons over here, like the search or source control. I'll leave it up to you to decide. Number 3 on our list is North Pole. Here we can see that we have a red background around the file name in the Explorer, and in the text editor, we have a mix of red, white, and green. Here's what it looks like with JavaScript and PHP. Not extremely useful for syntax highlighting, but it's definitely Christmas themed. I would like to see a little more color over on the icons and in the Explorer, but it's also a very usable theme that I could see using throughout the holidays. Number 4 on our list is Christmas Night. I do like the description of this. Here it says, a cocktail made from cookie crumbs from Santa Claus's beard, Grinch's hair, yesterday's milk, a whisper of stardust, liquid snowflakes, elf's laughter, snowman's carrot, and deer's antlers. Kind of funny. And if we take a look at this theme, I would say the description is pretty accurate. Here's HTML. Here's what CSS looks like. It's a very usable theme. I could use this. And number 5 on our list is Code Xmas. Upon first activating this theme, I immediately get a Christmas vibe. We have red, we have green. If I open up an HTML file, we have normal syntax highlighting, and it's blues, yellows, greens. Definitely got a Christmas vibe going on here. Let's see what JavaScript looks like. And CSS. I will say I'm not a big fan of the grayed out attributes, but it is still readable. Of all the Christmas themes, this just may be my favorite. It's immediately noticeable that it's a Christmas theme. And now on to our bonus section. While doing the research for this video, I came across a Christmas extension that I think you would like. And this extension is called VS Christmas extension, another unique name here. So essentially what it does is down in the bottom right hand corner, it says 5 days and 14 hours. If I click on it, I get a pop-up. It says there are 5 days, 10 hours and 59 minutes, 0 seconds left until Christmas. And I can show the countdown. That's pretty cool. We also have an additional command added to the command palette. So we'll take a look at that. And it's called Days Until Christmas. So if I select that, we get that same pop-up. If we take a look in the user settings and search for VS Christmas, we see that we can customize whether the status bar button is visible. We can set it to only be visible a month from Christmas, 1 day from Christmas, or 6 months from Christmas. We can also choose whether we want it to show on the right, left, or both. One thing I did notice is if I choose the left and it shows up on the left side, if I click on it, we get the pop-up still on the right side. So for that reason alone, I would just leave it on the right. And that's it. Leave me a comment down below and let me know which of these themes was your favorite theme. Did you enjoy turning your VS Code into a winter wonderland? If so, be sure to check out my other video where I show you the best VS Code icon themes. You can check that out right here. Before you go, here's something exciting. I just launched a weekly newsletter where I share the same kind of content you find here. Tips, tricks, and tools to help you become a better developer. It's brand new and you can find it on my website. I'll leave a link in the description below to check that out. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.